Hello friend, this is Vivas Malik, and in this video I'll show you how you can get in a free Rosetta Stone account and how you can get Duolingo Super in a free also. Here you can see I had just created a video about how you can get Duolingo Super in a free. This is here you can see. Let me refresh this page to show you a proof. And if you want Duolingo Super in a free, then please watch that video. For this video is especially regarded with the how you can get Rosetta Stone account in a free. By from here you can start learning any 25 language like French, Italian, Spanish, German, English, Arabic, or Dutch, any language. So before they start the tutorial, please do subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will suggest you to please visit my YouTube channel homepage. You will find some awesome useful content. Let's start the tutorial. For that you have must visit this special link. By this magic link only you can get to Rosetta Stone account in a free without a credit card or anything. Just put here your username and type here your password, then click on sign in. Which language you want to learn? Suppose I choose Dutch. Enter your email address, then choose a password. Then click on sign in button. Here you can see the page is refreshing and it will redirect you to this page. Then you need to simply save this password in your Chrome profile if you want. Suppose I click on here, no this device only, and then click on this launch Rosetta Stone Foundation. Just click on this page. You will redirect to Rosetta Stone home page. Here you can see welcome to Rosetta Stone. Just wait a minute, or maybe it depends upon your internet speed. Then here you can see dots level 1. Just select this anything. Suppose I want to choose reading and writing focus, then click on apply changes, and then congratulations, you can start any lesson from here. Lesson 2, and you must have to allow this microphone. Then lesson 4, you can also explore all the content. Here you can see, and you can also see, you can also do a too much setting option according to your requirement. This is my Dutch profile, so if you want to another language you can also do that. And if you don't like a Rosetta Stone tutorial or method or anything, then you can simply shift to Duolingo Super. For that you need to watch my another video how you can get Duolingo Super in a free without a credit card. And if you are new to my YouTube channel and this video is helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to reach 2k subscriber, and also like this video and also leave a nice comment. If you need anything from this image, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll provide you in a cheap price like Grammarly Premium for 1 month or 3 month or 6 month. The account will be private account, or Microsoft Office 365 genuine original license key, or Prime Video, or GitHub Student Developer Pack. I'll provide you in a cheap. Just contact me on Instagram. I can also provide you Windows 10 11 official license key in a cheap price. If you need anything from this, then contact me on Instagram. And I have some WordPress theme and plugin also under GPA license. You can get it in a cheap price like Generate Press or DB, JNews, Newspaper, Zanai, Extra, ClickMag, and some of plugin also available in a GPA license. So if you need anything from this, then you can contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price. If you are still watching this video, then thank you for watching video, and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.